me introduce myself, Nurkolis, student ID number C411911424 from HUPI, the Department of Animal Husbandry at the Jember State Polytechnic. I will discuss about the journal with the title Effect of Dietary Garlic or Allium sativum supplementation on broiler performance and blood profile with topic discussing garlic powder, broiler, and the feed additive. This study discusses how to determine the effect of adding garlic powder or Allium sativum on broiler performance and the blood profile. In this study, 63 broilers were divided into 3 groups. For each group consisted of 21 broilers. Group 1 with 0% garlic powder, Group 2 with 3% and Group 3 with 5% garlic powder. Well water was given at ad libitum and the experiment was carried out for 42 days. The result of the study showed Group 2 with 3% had the significant effect, including increasing feed intake 3051.6 gram with weight 1733.8 gram and in fact the best feed efficiency. The lossy body weight was obtained in the Group 3, creating 155 gram with 5% garlic powder. It was included that the addition of garlic as a feed additive in Group 2 significantly increased the growth and the performance of broiler without any side effect detected by the blood profile. This talk will acts as the springboard from us to know more about modern broiler rearing. I have divided my talk into a few sections, such as introduction, material and method, discussion, and the last conclusion. Well, the first one is an introduction. Are generally used to improve feed intake and to increase the growth rate in broiler. Well, garlic can improve production performance of broiler chicks. If of this study were to investigate the effect of supplementing garlic in broiler rotation on some aspect of production such as growth rate, feed efficiency, carcass, supplementation, and blood profile. Next is the material and methods. When conducted in a poultry check Faculty of Animal Husbandry production of the University of Khartoum used 63 chickens that were 1 day old. Chicks were weighted and randomly divided into 3 groups of 21 chicks. Carried out with 3 replicates with a 7 chick each. The author also followed the edges of coded line for the use of animal in research. Is made into powder by cupping and drying in the sun. The experiment was conducted with 3 groups. Group 1 serves as control or without garlic powder supplement or 0%. Group 2 and Group 3 contain 3% and 5% garlic powder, as Table 1, A and B. Feed and water were provided at ad libitum for 42 days. Leg is continuously added throughout the trial period. Growth performance parameters are recorded weekly, including feed intake, 5 week, weight gain, and the feed conversion ration. At the end of the experiment, blood sample the complete from 3,000 milliliters of blood was taken from a sample. Blood is deposited into a collection tube to check top blood profile. Data were analyzed using repeated measurement of ANOVA on last significant difference, LSD. Then we come to result and discussion section. The purpose of this study was to determine the effect of dietary increasing of garlic in the form of garlic powder on biologics 0 until 6 weeks, summarized in the table 2. All performance parameters in the experiment progressively improved by increasing garlic powder from 0% to 3% and reduced by improving diets. The best performance was achieved by the group containing 3% garlic powder. The achieved the highest fat composition with weight gain and the best fat conversion efficiency. The lower performance is the achieved by containing 5% garlic powder. The last section in the conclusion from the research result. The result show that the best performance in the administration of garlic powder 3% in the group 2. Lower performance achieved group 3 by giving 5% garlic powder. Performance of chicken given 0% garlic powder is intermediate between the two diets. It is concluded that is a recommended garlic powder can be used as a feed additive as much as 3% improve the overall performance of biologics. We were at the end of the session with its closing times. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully, the additional knowledge will belong to all of us. Previously, if you have questions about the journal material that I convey, please type in the comments. And closing again my message for all us to stay healthy, stay at home, and of course see you again in the future. Bye!
Ocean